Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thought I'd take advantage of the nice weather today and bring you a short informative video. Do you have a car that has big brakes, has lots of brake dust buildup, or maybe it's a scenario of it's now the spring, you haven't had a chance to really clean your rims really well over the winter and you have a lot of brake dust and you want to know something that's safe but effective and easy to use. So I thought I'd bring you a product that I've been using for the last few years in personal experience. So today we're going to look at the Meguiar's Ultimate All-Wheel Cleaner. Now I've been using this for several years on a few vehicles, anything from the Jaguar that's behind us that has really large brakes and kicks up a lot of brake dust on the rims, to a classic car with painted rims, just to give you an idea of how safe this is. Now, first of all, this is not a sponsored video. I buy the product separately. Meguiar's has not approached me. I just thought I would bring this because I know when I was looking for this product, there's so many different products out there, and some are safe to use on all rims, some are safe to use on specific style rims but not painted rims, and I know it took me a while to look, so I thought I'd bring you my experiences with the Meguiar's all-wheel cleaner, show it to you in action, which I'm going to do in a moment, and just kind of describe my experiences. Now, I've really liked the product. I will put a link below. You can pick it up on Amazon, Walmart. In Canada here, you can pick it up Canadian Tire as well as the Walmart, but I'll put a link below that makes it easy for ordering. Also, if you use the link, that is an associate link. There's no cost to you. It does help support the channel by using those links, so I'm going to say thank you if you did. Also, please like and subscribe the video, as it will maybe get people like Meguiar's to send us some product that we can do some reviews for you and give you real life reviews for everyday use. Now, what I like about this product is it's a spray on, let it dwell for a few minutes, but do not let it dry on your rims. Simply rinse it off, and 99% of the time, that's all you have to do. It's going to clean up the rims really, really nicely. Now, if as I mentioned, you've gone all winter, you have tons of brake dust built up, you may need to agitate it with a soft microfiber cloth or a soft bristle brush just to break up that little bit of extra buildup that's there. The product typically retails, anywhere, whether you're in the US or Canada, somewhere from $10, $12 a bottle. In Canada, it's more like 15 or 18, and it lasts a while. So without further ado, let me actually show you here, and then I'll bring the camera up close so you can see what happens. Basically, it's a very straightforward product. All you really need to do is spray it liberally on the rims. Now, what I like about this product, you guys can't see it, maybe you can hear a bit in the background, but it's a bit of a breezy day. And some of these products, you have to be careful because they're not safe for paint. Now, this doesn't say safe for paint, but I know from a bit of experience I haven't had any issues, and I know there's a few detailers that actually use this to remove iron. So I'm going to put a little caution there. Caution, do that at your own risk. Maybe test an area that's inconspicuous if you're worried about using it on a windy day. Again, on our rear rims, really straightforward. I just give it a liberal spray, and that's all you really need based on how much and how dirty your rims happen to be. I'm going to stop the camera at this point. We're going to let it dwell for a few minutes, and I'm going to bring you up closer so you can see what effect it's having. Plus, I'm going to go on the other side and finish up the car, because today is a car detail day with this weather. All right, so just to give you an idea, I've sprayed the rim. This has literally been on the rim for less than 2 minutes from when I stopped the recording to spray the other side of the car. And what I like about the all-wheel cleaner is you're going to see as it activates with the brake dust and the brake residue itself, it actually turns purple. So it's a nice way of knowing that it's working. And when I take you up real close here, you can just see how it's breaking down the brake dust, and that purple really gives you the ability to view it. Let's take a look at the rear wheels, because this is four-wheel disc brakes. The back are never quite as bad as the front, but you can see that it's activating really, really well. Now, the advantage to that, you can really see it. If you saw a lot of buildup, you know, you may want to get in and agitate it. Again, I'll show you the front here because I'm going to just rinse these today to give you an idea how well that it actually works. So I'm going to place this back on the stand. I will now get the pressure washer. Now, for those of you who haven't seen the previous video, I am using the Simonize washer. This is putting out about 1,000 to 1,100 psi, and the reason for that is we want a lot of gallon water throughput but low pressure when you're washing a car. You don't want an 1,800, 2,600 psi pressure washer. So the setup I'm using is it's a max 1,800 psi, but it's actually flowing about 1,000 to 1,100, and it's about 2 gallons a minute of flow through. So it's a lower pressure, lots of water flow through. So let's grab the pressure sprayer wand. It's already on, and the nice thing is at this point it's dwelled, I think, enough. Just take your pressure washer, give it a bit of a rinse. I'll do the back as well, and then I'll give you a closer look of how well it tended to clean up this rim without actually having to scrub whatsoever. We'll put that down. Let's grab the camera to give you a closer view and right around. So let's take a look at the front rim. And you can see just by a few minutes, look how clean that rim has come. And I haven't even had to touch it, which is really, really nice. Now, as I said, if you have a lot more brake dust, you may have to agitate, but the product really works super, super clean. So that is the Meguiar's ultimate wheel, So I just thought I'd give you guys that quick little breakdown. I appreciate you watching the video. I hope it's helping you if you're looking for a product because you have some rims that are very delicate or older rims that were painted from the factory and you don't want to damage them. This is potentially a solution for you. Let me know in the comments what you think, any questions you have, if there's a product that you'd like me to review. Being a car guy, I'd love to take that. If there's any manufacturers of products out there that would like to get in touch with me, please do so. Would love to work out and test some product. Anyways, please like and subscribe to the video. We appreciate that. Appreciate you as our viewers. Check back soon. I have some more product testing that we're going to do on products that I'm using on a variety of my summer cars here. And I'll look forward to hearing from all of you. Thanks for watching.